Question for the day. When you're in a losing streak, what's the first thing that starts to change? Your analysis, your confidence, or your discipline? And how do you pull yourself back to the center? This shouldn't take a lot. You know what I've realized about losing streaks? They don't start with bad analysis. They start with lost confidence. When I was still new in the market, whenever I got into a losing streak, I'll be quick to start blaming my strategy. I'll say to myself, maybe my analysis was off, or maybe there's a better strategy out there or a better way to trade. I'd jump to a new strategy hopping from this strategy to a new one, and then I'll have to deal with building confidence in that strategy from zero and trying to be disciplined, because it's not just finding a new strategy, it's about building discipline to stick to that strategy and building discipline to even understand and work with that strategy, and that takes time. And once it stops working, I'll hop into a new one, and that was a cycle that kept repeating itself. But now I've learned that the problem is usually not with my strategy. Even when I lose, it was just market condition for that particular period. The one thing I know I deal with is after losing a trade, I've even noticed it with myself recently, even this week. After losing a trade, even when there's a new opportunity in the market, I tend to become scared and feel like, okay, what if this particular trade is a loser? And that would now hold me back. Fear of losing, not even FOMO, but FOL, F-O-L, fear of losing. That is what eventually happens with me. And what helped me find my balance and what helped me find my way back to the center to keep trading, I'll be honest with you, it was podcasts. Thank God for, and shout out to all the podcasts, Word of Wisdom, Titans of Tomorrow, all the podcasts out there, Brent Skupinski's podcast also, Swing Trading Lab, all the podcasts that I've listened to in my trading journey, all of them have been helpful to me coming back to my center and knowing that there are other people in this market with me dealing with the same thing I'm dealing with in the market. Watching podcasts and seeing other people's story and seeing their own journey, it helps, it boosts confidence. And it's crazy, but sometimes you can't testify to what I'm about to say. It's crazy, but most times seeing other traders lose money makes you feel like, oh, ironically, it makes you feel like I'm not alone in this whole losing stuff going on in the market. So it's funny, but sometimes what gives you confidence is when you see another trader losing, because it reminds you that we're all fighting the same mental game at different stages of our journey. So yeah, losing streak used to make me lose confidence and feel awful. But right now, it just makes me pause and rethink and relearn things, still in the same strategy that I'm working with. Because the truth remains, as traders, we usually don't learn from our winning trades. Usually it's the trades we lost money on that we learn the most from. You are likely going to learn more from your losses than you learned from your winners. Everybody celebrates their winners. Just know it's part of the game. There's always a price to pay. That is your tuition fee. If you don't lose, you will not learn. So cheers to that, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If not, Quincy will bite you. Jesus Christ. She can't even catch bread. Forget about the trade. She will not do anything to you.